Hi everyone! Let's look at how to complete your 2020 California HR Conference profile. First, go to the top right corner of the VCAHR20 site and click Account. This will reveal a few options. For this tutorial, click on Edit My Profile. The first option for customization you'll see is your profile photo. We highly recommend adding one because other attendees are much more likely to connect with people with completed profiles. From here, make sure you're on the Profile tab, then click on the pink Upload Photo button. When uploading a profile picture, you can choose a picture from your device, from a specific URL, from Dropbox, Facebook, and Instagram. Once you select a picture, you'll see a preview along with some options to crop or rotate your picture and be asked to confirm your choice. You'll now see your new profile picture here. Don't worry if you don't see your main profile picture change right away. It will update once you save all your changes. Below your profile picture is an option to update your password and make changes to your name. This is where you'll customize your display name with any credentials you want. On the right-hand side, you'll find your industry selection options. You can choose from the suggested industry presets or type in your own. Under your industry section is your company details, including your title and a description of what you or your company does. Next is the tags section. You can use these to identify yourself according to your professional focus or anything else you want the VCAHR20 community to know about you. There are also pre-populated dropdowns for your company size and your certifications. Lastly, we have how many years you've been in HR, what job title most closely matches your own, and what your purchasing role is at your company. While none of these are required, filling these in will definitely help facilitate more meaningful conversations with other attendees and service providers. Once you're done, hit the Save button and you'll see a green confirmation message on the homepage, letting you know your changes have been saved. And that's it for updating your VCAHR20 profile. If you come across any questions or need help with anything, please use the Get Support option in your account dropdown at the top right corner of your screen to get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.